Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Scrap Mechanic DirectX Error, failed to create graphics device, or even feature level unsupported. Before we do begin with this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you do have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll answer them for you. With that all on the side, let's start with the video. The first thing that we need to do is always start by restarting your PC and Steam to clear temporary process. Sometimes a simple restart of your PC will fix the problem. If it did not, we have another solution. The second solution is by updating your graphics driver. Go ahead and click on your tray, click on your NVIDIA, right click on it and click on NVIDIA app. Over here, click on drivers over here, find the latest available driver for you and click on download and install. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC once more and relaunch your game. And if it does not work again, we have another solution. Next up is by going on your Windows Update. Just go ahead and click on your start menu, type in Windows Update, press enter. Once in the settings, go ahead and click on check for updates. And if you do have any available updates, I recommend updating your PC. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC once more. Another thing we could do is by going on your Steam, hover on the top left, click on Steam, click settings. Over here, click on in-game and make sure to enable the Steam overlay while in-game. This fixes any temporary crashes or feature available supported on your game. Sometimes it just messes up your files. So another thing we could do is by going on your library, click on your game, click on properties, click on install files, and verify integrity of game files. This will fix any corrupted files that might be affecting the error for your DirectX error on your game. Wait for it to finish. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your game, and if the problem still persists, no worries, we still have a few options here. The next thing you need to do is by going right click on your game again, click on properties, this time on general, and then launch options. Go ahead and type in -dx11. Once done, go ahead and exit out this window and relaunch your game once more. If that does not fix, no worries, we have the best and last solution for the last. So the next thing is reinstalling the Microsoft Visual C++ and ensure the latest DirectX runtimes are present. To do that, open up any browser you preferred, just like so. Over here, just go ahead and type in Microsoft Visual C++. Over here, click on the first official Microsoft link, like so. And over here, scroll down on the first table right over here. Don't scroll all the way down, as you can see. Just go ahead and scroll down until the first one, and then click on the latest supported V14 distributable version. Go ahead and click on it. A download will pop up. Go ahead and download. Once the download is finished, go ahead and continue with the installation process and finish all of it. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC and relaunch your game to see if the problem fixed. And then one last thing though, once you restart your PC on your Steam, go ahead and right click on your game once more, click on manage, click on browse local files. Over here, there's the most perfect bypass that might fix your problem. Right click on it, click on properties, compatibility, and run this program as administrator. Click on apply and then OK. Go ahead and launch your game and your problem will be fixed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.